Whether you're hosting a big Easter brunch or just an intimate gathering with friends and loved ones, you can never go wrong with a charcuterie. Here's how to put together an easy but festive, fun, and delicious Easter egg-themed charcuterie board. Begin by cutting a piece of parchment paper to the size of your serving tray. With a pencil, sketch the shape of the Easter egg in the center of your parchment paper as you'd like it to look. When you've finalized your design, flip the parchment paper over so that the pencil side is down. You should still be able to see it through the other side. It's helpful when making decorated charcuterie trays to shape out the main design first by surrounding it with the board filler. For this board, I like shredded lettuce or cabbage to resemble grass. Spread it around the egg, reserving some for later to fill in any gaps. I always like to start a charcuterie board by placing the more solid and taller components, as it allows something for the meats to lean against and can help you contain any ingredients that tend to roll, such as grapes, blueberries, and cherry tomatoes. For this charcuterie board, I started with the cheese cubes, as they can also easily follow the zigzag pattern. As with any charcuterie, part of the art is making sure your ingredients pair well together. Choose complementary meats, cheeses, fruits, and vegetables. This is easy enough to figure out with a quick Google search on what pairs with for any of the central meats or cheeses, but to make it easy for you, try the suggestions I've used in this video. For cheeses, I used cubed smoked Gouda and white cheddar cheese. Next, add dried apricots. A medley of mini sweet peppers not only taste great, but adds a nice color. Make little pepperoni rosettes by overlapping a few pieces, then folding them in half and rolling them into a rosette shape. Since these have a rounded shape, they work great on the top or the bottom of the egg to help accentuate the deeper curves at these parts of the egg. Next, fold pieces of salami into quarters for easy grabbing. Bunch them together and add them to the board. Next, we're adding slices of prosciutto, halved and accordion folded into ribbons. Now that we've laid a solid foundation, you can add your smaller and rounded ingredients. I suggest blueberries and grapes for these ingredient pairings. Serve with an assortment of crackers and toothpicks. You can get the detailed instructions and all of the ingredients used on fabeveryday.com, so be sure to check that out and follow Fab Every Day on social media for ongoing inspiration.